When you come across this historic image of Isak Chishi Swu signing the framework agreement, what thoughts awaken within you? Do you see a man humbled by illness or a leader fortified by unwavering conviction? Do you see just a signature being signed on a document, an agreement he would never see fulfilled, or the sacred stroke of a pen drawn with trembling resolve, burdened by years of struggle? Each drop of ink inscribed with the silent pain of exile, the longing for unity, and a father's hope for his people's dawn. In that final moment, his hand, frail but unbroken, poured out a lifetime of dreams, wounds, disappointments, and undying devotion, marking the page not merely with ink, but with the soul of a nation. Etched for all generations, a legacy written from the last reserves of his spirit. And as his pen made its last stroke on his final chapter, his pen, his courage, his devotion, his dream, and the future of the Naga nation were placed into our hands. At that moment, the power of his sacrifice became a call that none of us can ignore. He did not surrender his dream. He entrusted it to us, to rise, to carry forward, united. Let us pause, and from the timeless legacy of our late leader, Isak Chishi Swu, let us draw both strength and inspiration. His vision for our homeland was clear and unflinching. Once, he said, a solution that embraces all Naga territories and guarantees the future of our villages as well as our nation is the only honorable option. We will be faithful to our commitment. These were not merely words of policy or ideological statement, but a sacred vow to our ancestors, legacy, and the land they proudly defended. He, just like our pioneers, believed with every fiber of his being that our ancestral homelands, divided by arbitrary lines, not of our making, must be made whole again. For without the integrity of our territory, there can be no Naga nation. Let this truth resonate in the heart of every leader, every faction, tribe, and every village. Our forefathers did not sacrifice for pieces of a map. They fought and bled for the entirety of the aspired Naga nation. If any among us settles for anything less, for a narrow regional political settlement, they must pause and answer this. Why do they claim to work for the Naga movement, or even exist for that matter, if not for the whole Naga homeland? From this unshakable commitment to our land arose a conviction of even greater profundity. Our late leader, Isak Chishi Swu, proclaimed with unshakable spiritual clarity, "The Naga people have been destined to live together as a nation for the glory of God. The unity and integrity of Kuknalim is the will of God. Naga reconciliation is a call from God." Here, he revealed the soul of our struggle. To Isak Swu, our cause was a divine covenant between Nagas and God. He saw reconciliation as the sacred ground upon which our future must be built, the only way we could stand as one people before God. He knew unity was not merely a political goal. It was a spiritual and national imperative. So we must confront the painful question his legacy leaves us. Have we heeded this divine call? Or have we, through our distrust and divisions, betrayed the sacred covenant placed upon us? Now, let every ear listen and every heart attend to his words, which echo beyond our hills to the conscience of the world. Let us remember his words. Quote, "The cause to defend the freedom of one's country is the birthright of all human beings. The right to self-determination is a God-given right to every tribe and nation. This is more than life itself." In this, he stood as a witness for all peoples. He declared that our freedom is not a gift from any state, but a birthright from God himself. To defend it is to fulfill our highest duty to our ancestors, to our children, and to our own conscience. We are the inheritors of this profound legacy, built by leaders who served with conviction, endured with dignity, and believed until their last breath. Yet their dream remains unfulfilled in their lifetime, not because their courage failed, but because of our disunity. Many leaders have come and gone, many still live, and many more will rise. But let this be etched in the minds of every Naga, young and old. The aspiration for Nagalim, or any kind of political settlement within or without Indian or Myanmar unions that embraces or encompasses the entirety of Naga homelands, will remain just a distant dream for all generations past, present, and future, unless we now find one resolve, one vision, and one voice, Kuknalim.